What's up, guys? I will show you more of my slimes. Okay. So this one is not very that good. This is my watermelon slime, and it's not good at all.
Tomorrow is the
Ooh, it's wet.
physical therapy.
Why does it look orange? It looks orange in the camera, but actually it's pink.
Alright.
Does this look good or bad?
It's the ugly.
Tell me if the slime is ruined or if it's not ruined. Is it ruined or not?
Not.
You are wrong. This is ruined. I think I gave it too much contact solution. That's what I'm thinking. It looks orange in the camera, but it is actually a hot pink to me. So I think I might have to add lotion to the slime because it is technically ruined.
Do you record like everything you do?
Yes. You are a good boy. Okay. Next one is my mom's grape smoothie slime. Ooh. This one looks like a lighter purple on the camera, but it's actually darker and it feels actually really good. This one's like the best slime out of all the slimes I've ever played with. This is my mom's grape smoothie slime. But my favorite slime would probably be my mom's goldfish slime because it is super jiggly and I love jiggly slime. So put that away. Oops, I forgot some of the extras on the table. Okay, next is... Nobody needs this. Oh, this is my cereal crunchy bead foam slime. Well, this doesn't have foams in it, but it is super... How can I say with this?
Can I stop that?
So this is a different slime out of all my other slimes that has beads in it.
Beads?
Yeah. Me and
I thought you
Alexis...
didn't like beads.
What?
I thought you didn't like beads.
I said beads, not bees.
Beans? You like beans? Like porky beans?
No!
Jelly beans.
No.
Go garbanzo beans.
No.
Kidney beans.
No.
Jelly
Wait,
beans.
guess what's my favorite food?
Beans.
Beans.
No!
Bees.
No.
You like beans?
No. Okay, what's my favorite food? But it's at a restaurant, and I've been eating this for like my whole entire life.
For 100 years?
Not 100 years. How long have we been alive in this city?
I don't know, 14 years? Just guessing.
Okay.
I'm just spitballing here.
Whatever. So this is super, what can I call it? Crunchy.
Yep.
Super crunchy?
Crunchy.
It's because it has beads in it.
It's got bees in it?
Beads! Look at this.
I know. I'm just teasing
What
you.
are they called? Beads.
I'm just teasing you.
Are you deaf?
No.
Good.
I'm not. I'm just teasing you, Maya. I gotta check my checklist.
So this next slime is called my plump slime. Ooh, still feels really good. Okay, it looks a little darker in the camera, and yes, it's the same dark color right now, and I like this slime. Might need just a little bit of not slime, lotion, but other than that, it is a very good slime. I should have called this witch slime, like a witch on Halloween night. But I'd rather prefer call it plum slime. Who likes this slime?
Alright, proof of age and citizenship. for acceptable documents
Doing homework.
CP, paragraph 1.
This feels really good. So put
I believe
that away.
it's this page. This has got what's acceptable.
There we go. Okay, this is my Chuck E. Cheese slime.
Proof of U.S.
This one's actually
citizenship.
really
You
good.
must provide a copy
Super sticky,
of
but really
the
good.
U.S. birth certificate,
It looks a little
passport,
dark in the camera, but it's actually
proof of naturalization, or any other
lighter.
government document that shows birth in the U.S. or otherwise states citizenship as a U.S. Driver's license is a proof of age, but it's not a proof of U.S. citizenship. A copy of your military ID will serve as proof of citizenship. Okay. So basically, I got a copy of my birth
This
certificate.
is a
So
very
I'm
good
good.
slime. It might need just a
Proof
little
of
bit of
current
activator
membership
since it's
in a
really sticky.
CMP affiliated
But other than
organization.
that, it is a very successful slime.
You must provide a copy of your current membership card or other proof of membership or other proof of membership. This
pumpkin
cannot be
pie slime.
waived. The
It
CMP
looks
has
yellow,
over
but it's actually
2,000
orange.
affiliated organizations and local
I should
manufacturing companies. Blah,
made
blah, blah,
this
blah.
yellow, but
Alright, so I
I don't
have
really have that much yellow slime.
my copy.
Okay, so this might just need a dot of activator, and then it won't be as
Here it is.
sticky.
I copied from their CMP website. The Breastplate Sports and Gun Club is a affiliated organization, and copied my membership card down on there. So that takes care of that one. Proof of participation in a marksmanship or other firearm
tell me in the
activity.
comments.
See paragraph 3. You must provide proof of participation in a marksmanship or other activity or otherwise show familiarity with safe handling of firearms and
This is my
range
JoJo Siwa
procedures.
slime.
Your marksmanship related activity can be with pistols, rifles, air guns, or shotguns. Proof of
Like the hot pink in the
marksmanship
camera, but it's
participation
actually
can be provided by the following documents. Any of the following: current or past military or law enforcement service, participation in a rifle, pistol, air gun, or
other than
shotgun
that,
competition,
it is a very good slime.
completion of a marksmanship clinic that included live fire training, provide a copy of the certificate of completion or statement from the instructor. We have that. And that's all I really need. I have that.
So,
But I also I could have provided a hunter safety that has live fire, which we did do.
and
But
this one is my, wait, I think this is my mom's is hard. No, this is my mom's.
Alright, so that one's done.
This is my mom's Midnight Blue Crunchy Cry
Your
slime.
state or local
It
your
is
state-
very, I might need more lotion.
your state or locality requirements.
Very bright in the camera, but it's actually
Firearm
like a
owner's
tealish color.
identification card. Required in New Jersey and Illinois. Persons must have a pistol shipped to a 01, 02, or 07 FFL dealer. Please see number 4 on the ordering form.
We won't have a couple slimes left.
The information you
This
supply
one,
on your
is
application
hard.
must be submitted to CMP
I can't
by
even
1911 by the FBI and state
stretch it.
criminal check system.
non-stretching. This is my sky blue slime. This is my deep ocean.
Prohibited by federal or state law from acquiring a firearm.
Or shaking from. This is my gold slime. I prefer gold crunchy slime, but I just got gold. So this one's actually very. You can tell that I use clear blue. And yes, you are correct. Super sticky. So, wait, I have one last one I can show you really quickly before I wrap this video. This is my mom's green lumberyard grassy slime. So we've made this slime of the beginning when we started knowing about slime. So it looks like a brighter, like a leaf color in the camera, but it's actually very dark. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and see you later. And bye!